Sam has just finished picking apples from the trees on his farm and collecting eggs from the chicken coop. Hey Sam, tell us whether an apple is heavier or an egg. The apple is heavier than the egg. This was easy to find out. Now, Sam, can you tell us how many eggs weigh the same as the apple? This is not so easy to decide. What can we use to compare the weights of these things? A balance. That's right. Sam has made a balance using a hanger, 2 plastic plates, and some string. The weight of the apple makes the plate go down. Let's start putting eggs on the other plate to balance the weight of the apple. The weight of the apple is more than the weight of 1 egg. The weight of the apple is more than the weight of 2 eggs. Now the plates are at the same level. The weight of the eggs is now equal to the weight of the apple. So, the weight of the apple is equal to the weight of 3 eggs. Now, Sam wants to know how many glass marbles weigh the same as his tennis ball. Count how many glass marbles balance the weight of the tennis ball. The weight of the tennis ball is equal to the weight of how many glass marbles? 10 is correct. The weight of the tennis ball is equal to the weight of 10 glass marbles. Now, Sam wants to know how many coins weigh the same as 8 pencils. Count the number of 50 paisa coins that weigh the same as 8 pencils. The weight of 8 pencils is equal to the weight of how many 50 paisa coins? 4 is the correct answer. The weight of 8 pencils is equal to the weight of 4 50 paisa coins. Try making your own balance and compare the weights of things around you. Have fun! We use a balance to compare weights of different objects. When the pans of a balance are at the same level, the weights of the objects in its pans are equal.